In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text in Carrd easily and efficiently. If you're new to Carrd, a simple platform for building one-page websites, or just need a quick refresher, you've come to the right place. We'll make this process smooth and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. If you're not familiar, Carrd is a user-friendly tool designed for creating responsive, aesthetically pleasing one-page sites. Whether you're tweaking a portfolio, landing page, or personal project, this process will help you position your text precisely where you want it. Once you're on the Carrd website, locate your project and open the editor interface. The editor is where all the magic happens. Imagine it as your digital canvas, where you can manipulate and adjust various elements of your web page. Now, let's find the text element you wish to move. With your mouse, click and hold down on the text element. This click and hold action is crucial as it selects the text and prepares it for repositioning. A little word of advice here. Make sure you're holding the mouse steady to avoid inadvertently selecting or editing the wrong part of your design. With the text element firmly selected, it's time to drag it to its new location. As you drag the element across the canvas, keep an eye out for a green bar. This green bar acts as your guide, clearly indicating where the text element will be placed once you release the mouse button. It's like your own little on-screen ruler, ensuring precision and helping you align elements seamlessly with other parts of your design. While dragging, you might take this opportunity to play around with different arrangements. Be adventurous. Sometimes, shifting things just a smidge can create a far more compelling and balanced composition. Once you're satisfied with the new spot, release the mouse button to drop the element in its new position. And just like that, you've successfully moved your text element in Carrd. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to experiment and perfect your designs with ease. Remember, the flexibility and efficiency of Carrd mean that you can customize your web page to your heart's content, all without the need for complex coding skills. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring the creative possibilities Carrd has to offer.